So this is actually the third church. The first one was more of a tent-like structure. The second one was a very large log cabin. Because of the length of the logs, they built it in a cross shape, but pretty quickly began working on this church, which is the heart and soul of the community. You can see on the ground floor and first floor there were apartments, some of the first apartments for the community, and then the sanctuary is upstairs. Let's head on up. Har gute Gottet vara, o vad livet dakar hund, he vad fred från fågleskara, se hur gräset lyser grönt. So the church is the heart and soul of the community. The first thing I noticed are the two sets of stairs. Men came up one side and women came up the other. And if we had time to go into the church, you'll notice a divider down the middle, that men sat on one side and women sat on the other. The acoustics are beautiful, and I love to sing. And Eric wrote hundreds of hymns. And on Sunday, church service would last 3 or 4 hours. It is also one of my favorite museums in town. During the walking tour, we don't have time, but I would highly encourage you on your own to come inside. They have an apartment set up with original furniture made by the Swedes, including things that look like something from an IKEA catalog today. And then they have another apartment set up you can enter and touch with really beautiful modern recreations of the historical furniture. There's an exhibit on the immigrant experience, and they're coming to America. It's really one of the best museums in town. And if we had time, I'd love to go in. But we don't have time, so let's go on and see the rest of the community.